Welcome to the channel, everyone. This is another episode of Lyndon Houston Cooking. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a lovely, delicious rice and peas and chicken burrito. So stay tuned for this video tutorial. So to make this burrito, I have here, we're going to need some rice and peas, which is leftover. And then you're going to need a tortilla. You're going to need one of this. This is a 12-inch, but yeah, they have 10-inch. But I choose the 12-inch, which is a bit larger. So I'm just going to fold it back like this and set it aside. And here we have some jerk chicken I'm going to add to it. And also I have some lettuce here, which I'm going to add. So I'm just going to go ahead. I need to take the middle of this out. But this is personal preference. You don't have to. You take that out and then you set it aside. I'm going to add some plantain. So with this, I'm just going to cut them in strips like this. And the chicken, I'm just going to cut them up. And with this, I'll be using some jerk mayo, some jerk sauce also. So over here, I have a pan warm. So I'm just going to warm this a bit. Just warm it a bit here. So once this is warm, I'm just going to move it over to the cutting board. So here, you have the burrito, the tortilla wrap. Just go ahead, put your rice and peas in. Then I'm going to add some layers of chicken in. Some lettuce. Just go ahead and put your plantain in. Bit more lettuce. So now I'm going to add some jerk sauce, some jerk mayo over this. So that's a jerk mayo down. Then a bit of jerk sauce over. So now to fold this, I'll show you what you do. So to fold this, make sure you take one side and you do it like this, over, and you tuck that in, like this. So now you have your perfect burrito. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to have a pan here, just put it down in the hot pan like this. Put it back on the stove. So you can do it like this. You just turn them. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to get my wrap paper. So now what I'm going to do now, I'm going to get myself, this is a wrap paper. So the burrito, just remove it, place it down here. I want you to follow me slowly. With this here, just roll it. Roll it. And you take this one and put over like this. Another one like this. Angle. Just roll it straight in. So what I'm going to do now, and this is what I normally do in the catering truck. For you to cut it, I'm just going to put a tape here. So you have a tape there to hold it. And you place another one there. So this is the moment of truth. Just cut straight into it. So this is what it looked like. Delicious rice and peas and chicken burrito. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, leave positive comment.